So right here is the damage. This hurts, this hurts. So yeah, this is really bad. It's all cracked right here. So they ran into this pointy part right here, and this whole thing just cracked. Right down there, cracked all the way over to here. Luckily this piece under here is fine, it's just dirty. More damage over here, so you can see that crack there. The rest of this looks kind of okay. There's some of this that's damaged, some of this is damaged, some nicks right here. You can also see that the fiberglass is also damaged right here as well, and more cracks over here. So this whole back piece is fiberglass and it just got toasted. The wrap did protect the paint, so this is kind of something that I wanted to show you guys, that in a light enough accident, the wrap can protect your paint to some degree. So right here you can still see the paint under it. I haven't messed with this since I got hit. So this actually right here dented it in. So you can see like a kind of a line here, but it dented the bumper, but it didn't destroy the wrap. So very interesting. So somebody just tapped me, and then it wasn't that hard of a hit. So luckily most of the back bumper is not damaged, except for maybe that and these portions here. So right now I'm going to start peeling. I'm going to show you guys what this looks like under. See if wrap indeed protects the paint. Okay. So as you guys know, the car is white under, and I'm looking at getting new wrap, a new color on this thing anyway. So okay, so here I got my generic spray bottle with water. I'm just gonna spray some of that down, and then we're gonna wipe it, see what this looks like. Oh, bro. Okay, I'm very mad at all this damage, but I like how the wrap protected. Get this off here. Look at that. Look at that. All right, first off, the wrap will not damage your paint if your paint is in good condition. So look at that. My brand new Corvette had on for, I forgot how long I've had this on for, but did not damage the paint in any way. So we're gonna wipe this down here. So if the wrap is ripping your paint off, it's because your paint sucks. And it's old, or it was done incorrectly and it was not to factory specs. Otherwise, it would just come off looking clean like this with no residue other than where I got hit. Okay, so here you can kind of see, oh, we'll clean this up a little bit here. Okay, so here you can see the dented spot where it actually hit the bumper hard enough to dent the paint and the bumper and the wrap, but the wrap did not rip. If you guys are looking to have the wrap protect your paint, it actually does, and this proves it. If you're gonna fix this portion right here, make sure the shop that fixes it does it to factory specs, because if they sanded this down to smooth it out and then repaint it, but they didn't repaint it the right way to factory conditions, when I lay wrap onto it afterwards, the wrap's gonna rip that aftermarket paint off if they didn't do it correctly. Okay, so kind of glad it happened to this and not something like that. That's not worth a lot of money in the insurance people's eyes. So if the whole back end gets caved in on that thing, it's coming out of my own pocket. Just have a quick look around here and see this color one more time. Look at that thing hits, baby, damn. Okay, because we're going to be changing the color on this thing. Brand new color, coming soon. Look at this thing. I'm gonna miss this color, so we might redo it again at some point, but that's the joy of being able to do it yourself. Poor Corvette. It got so hot I had to jump in the pool, but we're gonna get back to peeling this thing. So it's super easy. When you're looking to peel your car, just do it on a hot day. Just park it outside. If it's cold, then you do have to use a heat gun, but all you have to do is this. Okay. Don't rip it off like super quick. Just use your body weight and start peeling. Okay. And this comes right off. I guess we'll rock the Corvette in white for like a week or so while the insurance company kind of just gets back to me and figure out all that mess. But all right, there she is, all peeled and looking good again. Okay. It's been a day or two. I wanted to take some thumbnail shots and all that stuff, so now that it's all peeled and white, ooh, I don't know, man. Kind of this thing kind of looks good in white. So we'll keep this in the white color for a while. Before I wrap it again in a different color. I really haven't decided what new color to do it yet, but we gotta wait till this gets fixed first before we do anything else. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Corvette in white. It does look super good right now, so having a hard time deciding what the next color is. I'm bouncing between two different colors, so I don't know. One's like a matte finish and the other one's a glossy finish, so I don't know. She's looking good as it is in gloss though. So if you ever wondered if wrap will protect your paint from damage, there it is, hard proof that it does to a certain degree. Of course, if something hits you hard enough to where it totally rips off your paint, the wrap's not really gonna help that, but you do have some protection there as an extra layer. And if your car is, let's say, not fiberglass and it's metal, you can potentially have the metal portions banged out from the back and your paint still be intact if your car is wrapped. So let me know if this video is helpful. Don't worry, the Corvette's gonna come back strong with a brand new color very soon, but we're gonna enjoy it in the white for now. So until next time, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you guys later.